So there's the Instagram feed. Again, you want to always refresh, make sure there's no other problems there. You take a look at the problem, it seems straightforward. Student 1, it's only 1 minute ago. That's great. It's got your name up here. So I say, okay, I want to tutor that. So I'll select it. Are you sure you want to tutor this problem? Yes, I do. At that point, the student gets a notification. They have 2 minutes to accept it. When they do, you'll both be sent into the whiteboard in real time. Now, at this point, you can chat with the student and you can draw right away, and so can they. I would go right to the chat function to start. This is automatically going to be generated, and the student sees it as if you have typed it. I know it looks like they've typed this, but the student will see it in gray as well. So it's just a welcome for them, and you can quickly say, you know, where are you stuck? Something like that. Then you might want to go back to the whiteboard to see if you'll start drawing. If you've forgotten the problem, that's perfectly fine. Hit the picture button in the bottom right here and it comes up, and you can also write over this. They won't see this come up, but sometimes it helps to just have it up there so that you might want to set it up on the whiteboard. So I'm going to write, okay, 3x plus 5 equals 14, and now I don't really need to look at this anymore, so you just hit it again for it to go away. Now maybe the student is writing back to you, so they might say, not sure where to start or something. At that point, you'll get a notification on the speech bubble here that they have said something, so you go back in there. They just said not sure, so that doesn't help. So let's go to the whiteboard. Obviously you want to use nice language, but I'm just saying whiteboard for now. They'll get that notification, they'll know to go back into the whiteboard. So you've shown them that you've set it up. You might want to show them, okay, how with some chat as well. You can always go back and forth, say, okay, I want to subtract 5 from both sides. So they'll see that, and then you might lead them to say, okay, well, what's the next step? And so they should write, okay, so at that point we're at 3x equals 9. And then, you know, you might want to give them a friendly check mark. And then they'll do the next step, divide by 3, so they might have just been lost here. X equals 3, and you can say, maybe change to green, perfect, good job. They'll see all of this, and then you can just say, great work. If they have something else or you're running out of room, you can always hit delete here, the trash can on the bottom left. The very important part about this is that it doesn't delete on their screen. They have to also press it. So I would quickly say erase now or something. Erase now so that they know you're erasing the screen. You can erase, and then you've got a blank canvas, and they should too. Once you're done, hit done. Are you sure you want to end the session? Yes, and at that point they get a session ended note, and you can rate the student good or not good. Back to the Instagram feed, refresh until you get your next problem.